Hi everybody, this is Phillip Guan, CPA, and welcome to the class number 10 to teach you how to do the tax return. Okay, so today we are learning the tax return is also not very common. So yesterday we talked about the form, and then today is also not very common, and then you don't not necessarily see it all the time. So, but you also want to know that. Okay, let me show you. Victoria, could you read this?
In this scenario, you will practice entering the following: Form W-2 income, minister income, parsonage allowance, Schedule C income.
Okay, I'm going to share with you this. Read this scenario as well. Victoria, please.
Scenario information: Green and Pinto Beans live in Denver, Colorado. The Beans are married and live together in the U.S. all year. Neither Green nor his wife can be a qualified child dependent on anyone else's federal tax return. Both the taxpayer and spouse are U.S. citizens. Green and Pinto both provide a copy of their Colorado driver's license. Green's license number is 1234576. Sorry, 123456789. And it was issued on January 1st, 2017 and expired on January 1st, 2025. Pinto's license number is 987654321 and was issued on January 1st, 2017. Her license expired on January 1st, 2025. print
Okay, now let's get this one. Let me show you the reverse side. Let me show you what it looks like first. So today I show you the end result first. Okay, this is the end result. There's a W-2 income. There's a dividend income. Okay, there's a Schedule 1, and then also in here, and then this from the business. This is Schedule C. I'm gonna go to detail line by line. This is the additional and the dividend. So okay, this is what the pattern income. Okay, this is what you need to learn today. Not a lot. Okay, not a lot. But I just want you to actually how you learn it. Okay. Yeah, they are subject to show the word text. Okay. That's pretty much the end result. Now, yeah, I'm gonna split it. Let me see. So now I could able to finish this one in half an hour. Okay. as you can see, you're correct. Yep. There is the church. See. Those are the new things. And the old thing, I'm not gonna be explaining too much. Eight 0203. Due to their case, I think I may add this one in as an example, as additional. They do not have kid in the original example. I just add this one in later. And this one. So I'm gonna go back there. But we no longer have we don't have child expense because I add this one in last year as an additional. Let's do the simple simple thing first. Pinto bean is spouse. Up there, spouse. Because yeah, it's correct. So let me choose this spouse. So the address changes. Now page down. Or page up. Next page. So they are special treatments when they. So what is the big treatment is this. Page is paid. So in here, up here, special now next to the W2 on the top, there's a special tax treatment. You see it here. I changed it last time as an example for other example. So now church, we're good. So 801. total withholding. $6,000. And then Social Security, they did not withholding anything. Do you see it? And then also Medicare did not withholding anything in the W-2. Now, this one, I need to change it to spouse first, and then go back to the taxpayer. So that way, change the address. Right here. W-2 is done. And then they pay estimate tax, 1,000 each quarter. Right here. Right here. Then in this side, apply any overpayment for the next year. Now, there's a dividend right here. $5,000. It's ordinary and qualified. That is. Now, the last thing you need to do is there's a 1099 Schedule C. Okay. And I need to do that 14,400 allowance. Okay. The W2 is done in there. Now finish this one first. Finish this one input. The 1099. Like this much. Those are expenses. Office expenses. Supplies. Sure. Let me up to now. It's the finished part. in the original exam, I add the rental income in here, so I delete this one. This example does not have a rental. Schedule 1, different. Now, let me see schedule C first. Schedule C. Did the example make a mistake? Because the 18,500, this is 850, 850 plus 850 is 170. I think this one, they make a mistake in here for some reason. So the left side is long in here, should be correct, like this. There's a map, and how complicated that is. If this is not trouble, it's meal. Let's say, for example, if this is not a trouble, if this is a meal, and then payment at 50%, that would be different. But the example says trouble. Trouble. Trouble is 100% deductible. So I don't know how that could happen, but it should be like this. Okay. Schedule C for this one, for some reason, when they develop a software, sometimes at the early stages, there's still some texting. So I don't know why there is a calculation mistake there. Okay. As you can just add those three numbers, it's not this. It should be this. Okay, but those are not material. So now what they say is they choose a self-employment. So now in here, so now in this example, if this is 14 now, so why there's a difference in here? Because from schedule C, this example, this schedule C is also added on it. Let me see. I think we make a mistake. Oh, bit hospital. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, bit hospital. This is bit hospital. And then church. Now there is the 42 is W2. They are 14,400 allowance. Okay, and this allowance is also in the example in here is actually subject to self-employment tax in here. So in my example in here, they're not put in that 14,400 allowance as subject to self-employment tax. Okay, so now in the reality, you need to put in here. And then put in here, you put in those allowance amount in here. Once you put the allowance amount in here, okay, and this number will flow in self-employment tax. So it's in here. So now what is this box 12? Box 12, a lot of them from the code number A, B, C, D. So for example, like 401k, you put the number in there, they will defer tax from here. Okay, so what you want to do is to maximize, to use the law allow you to do it, but this person is choose to do pay Social Security right here. Yeah. So that's why we choose the P in there to get it to the make sure this become a Social Security and pay it. So what is this going to happen is when you retire, you're going to get Social Security. You don't pay for it, you won't have the Social Security. Okay. Now, in this example, okay, in this example, what I want you to know is you have different options to treat your income in a W-2, especially in these cases, to either subject or not subject to self-employment tax. It's your option. Okay. So let me summarize what we learned today. We learned W-2 income. We learned to book for the church, the income, and also the allowance, as well as Schedule C incomes. Okay, now today, because it's something new for you, you may not feel familiar with it. And then when you practice a few times, you will get it. Now, with that, I'm going to conclude today's training and see you guys next Monday. Bye.